We've been in here since the last day of school. I think we overslept.
Oh look, the Edison Secret Service is here.
The candidates must be ready to present their speeches. It's going to be a big one this year.
Brennan, we don't look ready to be news anchors. We might want to change.
Good call. Also, it smells like old winter clothes in here. Quick change powers, activate!
To the Edison News Network.
News for the students.
By the students.
It looks like the Instant Pot that is Edison is cooking again.
That is right, Brandon. It is time for the Edison Elections, and you know what that means?
That's how baby gummy words are made.
No. It means we have a whole crop of new candidates running for president and vice president of Edison Elementary.
Oh, yeah. That makes sense. Well, I guess it's time to check in our first candidate.
Give it up for Xavier from room 8. Presenting Senator Xavier from room 8.
Hello, I'm Xavier and I am 4th grade. I would like to be your vice president this year. I plan on helping to represent our school by being open to everyone's suggestions and ideas. That means teachers, staff, and students too. I like to be inclusive and not the person who thinks they know it all. I think in order to be a good leader, you have to be open and accepting of everyone and be a good listener. We need to work as a team, and I plan on being a team player for our school. Instead of me telling you what I'm going to do for you, I would like you to bring your concerns and ideas to me so I can share them with the student council. That way, we can have many ideas represented because it's not just about me, it's about all of you too. I feel like I would make a good vice president because I have many qualities that make up a good leader. I am a problem solver. I am respected by my peers and teachers. I am a person of inclusion and I try to be the best responsible peace builder by upholding Edison's core values. I will listen to your suggestions and ideas because you and your ideas can make a difference here at Edison. In conclusion, I love Edison, and I want to make it the best experience for everyone. I will be enthusiastic wherever I go, and we have a great school here, and it's all thanks to you and our teachers. Go team!
Wow, what a fantastic way to start the vice presidential race.
I know, right? He is clearly a man of the people.
I love how he is about all of us as a community making decisions and coming up with ideas.
There has been a similar talk between other candidates. This might be the people's race this year.
We'll just have to keep watching. Up next, Kai from room 14.
Presenting Congressman Kai, room 14.
Hello, my name is Kai and I'm running for Student Council Vice President. There's a lot of things I can help with to make a difference within our school. I want to make things more fair and I want kids to feel safe and enjoy being at Edison Elementary. Here's some of my ideas. I don't know about you, but I really don't like how messy and gross the bathrooms get. I want to come out with a way to monitor that, so the next person doesn't have to clean it up or the janitor. Kids don't respect the bathrooms and mess around by throwing bathroom bricks. I would like to come up with a plan to keep our bathrooms clean and help students understand why it's important to clean up after themselves. I want to stop bullying that takes place in our school. I'm tired of seeing friends and students being hurt by others' negative actions. I want to make sure that students are following the rules and taking responsibility for their own actions. I really dislike seeing kids lie to Mr. Chaz just to get out of trouble or get someone else in trouble. I want to see you all shine so bright you can see it from outer space. This all starts with a vice president who cares about these things. Vote for Kai, and don't remember to shine.
Go.
It's the age-old debate about the bathrooms again.
Yep, this issue has me poops.
Oh no, bathroom puns!
Come on, it's my duty to make a joke.
As long as you make no toilet paper jokes.
Why?
They're terrible!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Up next, our last candidate for Vice President, Wonder Woman herself, Elliot, also from Room 8.
Presenting Governor Elliott of Room 8. Hello, my name is Elliot Rendon. I'm in 4th grade. I'm running for Vice President, and I need you guys' help. I've been part of the school since kindergarten, and I know we have amazing teachers, and we have the best principal. They work hard to keep us safe, and I want to help all of you guys succeed. I love our school and want to make it a fun place for all the students at Edison Elementary. As Vice President, I'm happy to voice all of your ideas and concerns at Student Council meetings. One of my goals as Student Council Vice President would be to create a book box for book donations so every student is going to find something they like to read, just like I do. I'm good at listening, I'm a good leader, I work hard and enjoy helping my friends and my teachers. I could make loads of good posters for student council events because I like art, and I will do my best to help the school outside of student council. Finally, I like working with people, and I would be excited to work with this year's Edison Student Council team to make this a fun year for all the students. Even you can help me make this school shine. We just need to work together. Every student at Edison has something special to give. And just remember what Dr. Seuss always says. Today you are you, that is truer than true. There is no one alive that is youer than you. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye, or as the doggies would say it, woof woof. Don't forget to vote for Ellie.
She seems like a real hero of the people.
Indeed, it's not wonder she had an amazing speech.
I don't need a lasso of the truth to see that.
Brandon, it's time to wrangle in the presidential candidates next.
Let's start off with Lily from room 17.
Presenting of room 17.
Hi, my name is Lily Gershker-Helva, and this is my 7th year attending Edison Elementary. I feel like I'd be a perfect fit for president, and here are a couple reasons why. So first things first, I don't want to make promises I know I won't be able to keep. So instead, I'm going to give a few ideas. Speaking of ideas, I don't want them all to be mine. I love to hear your ideas and the way you interpret mine. So one of my ideas is that one day of the month, we can work together and beautify our campus. I love to lead, so I'd love leading student council in planning more fun events. Remember to vote for Lily Gershker-Helva if you want a great year.
Wow, what an exciting candidate.
She is another candidate who really wants to bring our community together.
I'm really loving these speeches about bringing the community together and giving everyone a voice.
It looks like Vander from room 19 is ready, so let's tune in. Presenting Governor Vander from room 19.
Hello, my name is Vander, and here are a few reasons you should elect me for president. One thing I would like to do is create an idea box where any student can provide ideas or suggestions for improving our school. For example, I have heard a lot of people complain about the conditions of our bathrooms. I think we can make them cleaner and reduce vandalism. I want to make that happen. Clubs is another change I would like to make. We should have clubs, since many of you have asked for them. I believe that your ideas matter, and if you vote me president, I will try and make them a reality. Thank you for your vote.
Is it just me, or do these speeches keep getting better and better?
I can't deny there are some really amazing candidates, and it will be really hard just to vote for one president.
Time for a lesson from room 18.
Hey, Brooke, I have an idea. Follow me.
Brooke, hey look, my brother's a Secret Service agent.
Oh, cool. Maybe we could get a secret interview.
Yeah.
Hey, can we get an interview with Senator Alessi?
Sorry, she's not having any visitors today.
But you're my brother.
Nope, sorry, bro. We can't help you. Presenting Senator Alessi of room 18.
Hi, I'm Alessia Molly and I'm running for president. I think I would be a great president because I am a natural leader and I am a good person. You should vote for me because I will gladly accept any suggestions on how to improve the school. I'm approachable, so don't be afraid to come up to me. An idea I have is maybe we can have monthly competitions between classes on which class helps out the most. You can help out by helping any teacher prepare for the next day of school or help the office if they need it. The prize for the class who helps out the most can either be a game day, a class picnic, or even a pajama day. This is a fun way us students at Edison can still be motivated to help our school. Another reason you should vote for me is I have a good personality. I'm empathetic, caring, respectful to my peers, and I'm hardworking. A good president should have good qualities, and I think I have those qualities. Thank you for listening to my speech, and remember, vote Alessi for president.
Well, that didn't work out.
I really take this job too seriously. I thought I had an in.
Well, it's too bad. We have voting to do anyways.
Get out there and make those votes, people.
It's your voice, so take this time to make your choice.
See you guys next time. Bye! I looked it up on the soccer game. I was going to the Galaxy.
Yeah.